Facebook ads can be a great boost for your business, but I suspect that as an affiliate marketer, you've given it a try and failed to get the results you wanted. I get it. There's some bad advice out there about how to promote affiliate offers on Facebook. So today, I'm going to show you the things you shouldn't do and the things you should do to get the results you want. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to reveal the single biggest mistake most people make when using Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. And I'll show you what you should be doing instead to grow your business and achieve the results with Facebook that you actually want without having to spend a fortune. I think we can all agree that when run well, Facebook ads can be very powerful and produce fantastic financial returns. But if you're like most affiliate marketers on Facebook, you probably aren't seeing those financial returns that you hear about online. And there's a very simple reason for that. Simply, it's because most affiliate marketers don't understand what Facebook wants from advertisers, which generally results in your ads being disapproved, or even worse, your entire ad account being shut down. So what is the biggest mistake most affiliate marketers make? Simply put, when they're creating their ad and scrolling down to the URL section for the ad, like you see here, they are putting an affiliate offer link straight into this URL section. In most circumstances, that's going to take the person who sees your ad directly to the affiliate offer. In most cases, and I'm saying likely more than 90% of cases, your ad won't be approved if you use this method, despite what most of the affiliate marketing training will tell you. Facebook just doesn't like this approach. To understand why, think about what's happening here. Someone who sees your ad on Facebook will see your Facebook account name on the ad. Depending on whether you're diligent or lazy, the ad will either be you telling a story as to why the person should click the ad, the diligent way, or it will be copied text and images from the affiliate promoter. That's the lazy way. I say lazy way because straight away you're creating confusion and a disconnect between the person who's seen your ad and the offer, which is owned by someone else. Further to this disconnect, I've often heard this approach as being like going on a first date with someone and asking them to marry you over dinner. Just not going to work, right? Think about it. Imagine seeing an ad of mine on Facebook. I managed to hook you in to read the text or watch my video ad. You like what you see, there's some interest, and then I send you straight to a sales page for somebody else. When you get to that sales page, your immediate reaction is going to be something like, "What happened to Andrew? Who's this new guy I'm seeing?" Suffice to say, the conversion rates will stink, and you're going to walk away from Facebook ads saying they don't work, blaming Facebook. I've seen it in a number of groups that I'm a member of all the time, people complaining that Facebook ads don't work. They don't work because you're doing it wrong. Okay, so enough of the bad news. Let's look at how you can use Facebook ads successfully to grow your affiliate business without blowing up your ad budget. The first thing you must do when using Facebook ads is to use what's commonly referred to as an affiliate bridge page funnel. If you want to know more about these types of funnels, check out my video by clicking on the link above. The idea of a bridge page funnel is that you have a lead capture page as the first page that your lead will land on. So when you're creating your Facebook ad, the URL that we looked at earlier, you'll put the URL of this lead capture page in the ad. The purpose of the lead capture page, as the name suggests, is first to capture your lead's email address. This is crucial. And the second aim is to introduce you and further build your brand. Now, when the person sees your Facebook ad and clicks, the first thing they see is you again. There's a connection in the lead's mind that makes them think, okay, this guy, he's telling me about what I just saw. The ad and the lead capture page are going to look consistent, and the message is coming from you, which is also consistent. In return for giving you their email address, you'll be giving them something for free, a lead magnet as they're called. This is likely to be a book or a report or free training of some sort, and it will be from you by you. You're building your brand and the trust factor with the lead. It's the start of a relationship with the lead. It's like the first date but without the marriage proposal that would turn them off and have them running for cover. So that's the first important step. By capturing their email address, in the likely event that they don't buy your offer from the ad, you at least now have the ability to make them additional offers via your email autoresponder that will be triggered now that they're on your list. This is the second important part of a successful Facebook ad campaign, acknowledging that your long-term ROI or return on investment will come from what's termed your back end, your follow-up emails. The Facebook ad may not make money up front based on the small number of leads who will buy your first offer, but over time you can make it worthwhile by having additional offers in your follow-up emails. Okay, so the second page in your bridge funnel is a thank you page. This is where another crucial part of the process happens. On the bridge page, you should have three important pieces. So the first thing the thank you page will do is to let your lead know how they can get their freebie lead magnet. It can be a download from this page or an email, either works fine. The second thing you must do on the thank you page is have a video of you explaining what's going to happen next. Now there are plenty of people who will tell you to just link your leads straight to an offer to get sales with the least number of clicks. Now if you were selling your own products, maybe this is a valid strategy, but when you're selling affiliate products, there's a bit more of a dance required, some more romancing of your date, so to speak. So the video on the thank you page is you explaining that you're about to send them to an offer and the reasons why you think they should check it out. This is called pre-framing the lead. You're preparing them for what to expect. In particular, you're preparing them for the fact that the offer is going to be coming from somebody other than you. Now the lead won't be surprised and there won't be that disconnect. And the final component of the thank you page is the call to action button that links to the offer. This is the action you want the lead to take. Now, the reason that this is so important when it comes to Facebook ads is that the lead capture page from your ad will be your page, your URL. And Facebook will check this from the ad and be able to see that it's you and belongs to you. So they don't see it as a direct affiliate offer, which they don't like. So the likelihood of your ad being rejected is dramatically reduced. So now that you're in a position of having your ad approved, a couple of other benefits of this approach, which will dramatically improve the return on your ads, is the fact you'll have your Facebook pixel on both the lead capture page and the thank you page. That means that you can build audiences of people that have seen these pages and retarget them with a similar ad that directs them back to the offer or to your Facebook group. Basically, these people aren't lost to you. There are ways to go back to them now that you have captured them in your pixel. Again, let me remind you that people rarely buy the first time they see your offer, and your opt-in rate on the capture page might only be 30%. So rather than losing the other 70%, you now have a way to go back to them and put the ad in front of them again. You're building the relationship with them without them even knowing it. For those people that get to the thank you page but don't end up buying your offer, you now have their email address and can send them reminder emails directing them back to the offer. And you can also put ads of you in their Facebook feed. Either way, you're increasing the touch points they have with you and your business, which builds the relationship, the romance as such. And over time, more of these leads will convert to emails and sales. And that is the correct way to build your affiliate marketing business using Facebook ads. A few simple tweaks, and before you know it, you'll be in those Facebook groups bragging about how well your campaigns are going because you took the time to build your business the right way. You're treating your business like a business and you're not being lazy. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you the right way to profit from Facebook ads as an affiliate marketer. Let's do a quick recap of the do's and don'ts of Facebook ads for affiliate marketers. So the first is don't send the ad directly to the affiliate offer. Likely won't get approved anyway. Use a bridge page funnel so you can grow your email list at the same time. Pre-frame the offer on the thank you page before sending them to the offer, and use the audience you're building from your Facebook pixel to retarget the leads that don't buy or join your email list to improve your ROI over time. Now, if you want access to a proven bridge page funnel for affiliate marketers, click the link in the description, and with one click, you can have a professionally designed funnel in your account straight away. You will need a ClickFunnels account to get the funnel, which you can get a free 14-day trial of using the link in the description as well. Thanks for watching today's training. If you want to get started building an affiliate marketing business and get personal one-on-one support from me to help you guide you to your first $1,000 and beyond, just click the link in the description to get the free training course. And if you use the link to set up a ClickFunnels account, you'll also get a free affiliate marketing sales funnel that you can personalize and start using straight away. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of the training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get started with your own affiliate marketing business. Click the link below to get your free bonus training and funnel so you can get started the right way today.